This video is for a jazzy song from Mr. Bach, which is on page 6 and 7 in the theory book, level 2A. I'll play it for you first. Okay, first you may notice that it sounds an awful lot like a minuet for Mr. Bach's Children from the lesson book, but they have changed something here. To make it sound jazzy, they changed the time signature. Right here it says 4/4. And if you look up at the top, they sort of explain it. Though Bach's music is over 250 years old, it has influenced all kinds of music, from choir music to pop sounds of today. Here, Bach's minuet is changed into a pop song. All right, and then they give you instructions. Add bar lines after every 4 beats. Notice the time signature changed from 3/4 to 4/4. If you look in your lesson book, you'll see that the minuet for Mr. Bach's Children has 3/4 at the beginning. But they've changed this to 4/4. And they didn't put bar lines in. They did the first one with a dashed line, but after that there are no bar lines. You have to add those in. So to do that, you need to count 4 beats. Remember, a quarter note is 1 beat. So this is 1, 2, and then these 2/8 notes make a beat, 3 and then we have another beat, 4 and, bar line. Then we have 1, 2 beats on that half note, 3, 4. That bar line is already there. Now moving on to the second line, we have 1, 2, and then these two make 3 and, 4 and, bar line. So you need to continue adding bar lines all the way to the end of the piece. There's always a bar line at the end of the line. You don't have to write that one in, okay? Once you have done that, you can also write 1, 2, 3, 4 for the correct beats in measures 1 through 7. So here for the second measure, you would write 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we would write 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the next page, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 kind of has to fit there. 4. Okay? And then the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know I'm covering the notes a little bit, but I was trying to show you where you will write those numbers. All right, then you get to try to learn this new version of Mr. Bach's minuet. It's the same, I believe it's the same position we were doing for the Mr. Bach's Children. So my right hand is in C position. My left hand, finger 3, is on G. Okay, I think that's the same position. But you can check that to make sure you're in that right position. And then you have to count carefully. So at the beginning we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 and half note. 1, 2, 3, and 4 and half note. Okay, so you'll get a little bit of a different sound. But when you hear this with the duet part, I think you will really like that. I'll give you that in a separate video. Good luck.